Create homemade party invites using simple Microsoft Word templates. Using a template. Click New. Enter invitation in the search box. Once you press Enter on your keyboard, you'll see a bunch of templates on screen. Click an invitation you like. Click Create. It's at the bottom of the preview pane and will open the template in a new document. Customize the template. Depending on the template you selected, the graphics and text will be in text image boxes. Click on a text to edit it. Save the invitation. Starting from scratch. Click Blank Document. Insert graphics or art. To insert your own image file, click the Insert tab, then click Pictures and select an option. Once the image or clip art is inserted, you can move it around by dragging it to the location you want to place it, or resize it by dragging its borders to the size you want. Add text. By using the text box feature or by typing the invitation information in. To create a text box, click Insert tab, and then Text box. Select a text box style from the drop-down menu, and then enter the information you want into the box that appears on the document. You can change the text font and size and also change the text color using the options under the Home tab at the top. Make sure that the event information is provided in the invitation, like the event name, date, time, venue, and other details. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.